guys, my name is Asempa and today with me here is Mr. Esilfi. We are going to go to him and then he introduce himself and then the kind of work he does. You are welcome to Eagle Eye Angle.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, so I've seen you very busy. You are very busy, you are tired and working. We want to ask you the kind of job you are into.
I'm an artist. I collect trash and then I convert them into art.
Okay, so for how long have you been doing this job?
2 years now. 2 years now, say yeah. Roughly 2 years now.
Okay, so what inspires you? Because a nice gentleman like you collecting trash from
the streets.
So what inspires you?
Nature. Yeah, I love nature so much. And as an artist, I also try as much as possible to solve environmental problems that we find around. And then trash is one of the problems that we have in Ghana. You know it?
Yeah.
Yes. So as an artist, I asked myself, how am I going to really help in solving such problems? And then it just dawns on me like to collect the trash and try as much as possible to convert them into art, to create the awareness that they are not trash, just that we don't know how to use them.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So, what is the preparation towards this year, Easter?
Easter, yes. As you can see, we are still putting things together. Yes. At least we don't have an art exhibition for a program like that. What they have is Kwahu, where a lot of people will just troop in and then come and sell their artifacts, their crafts and things. But for an exhibition or exhibition room like this, where people can come, relax, have a feel of art as a therapy, as any kind of forms that they want to experience art, we don't have it. So I decided to put this together, at least during the days where people don't have places to go, or people are really stressful and would want to go and then have a look at artworks and things. They can come around and then have a look at the artworks.
Oh, okay. So when is the exhibition starting?
Probably, I'm thinking of Saturday, but Friday, if people are ready and they come, we will open it to them. But so let's say Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday.
Okay. So what people have the privilege to come here?
Everybody. Art is for everybody. We're just creating awareness. We are sending the signal to people that this is trash, but they are useful. So everybody is welcome here. I'm just expecting everybody.
Okay, yes. So are we going to meet some dignitaries here?
Oh yes, you are going to meet a lot of people here. Because you see, art is for the prestigious people, you know. Okay. Yeah, so definitely if they get the information that there's an art exhibition going on here, I think they will come through. So when and the arts exhibition centers are places where you get the chances to meet the noble people as you are talking about. So definitely you are going to meet them.
Okay, yeah. So somebody may ask, do I have to pay something before?
No, you don't need to pay anything. You don't need to pay anything. Just come, look at the artworks, feel relaxed, just make yourself happy, and then we'll be serving wine too here. So when you come and then you feel like taking some wine, yes, for free. Yeah, we'll be serving wine here. So if you come and you feel like taking some wine, but we are just making preparation. If we have to get some coffees and teas, the green leaf teas and other stuff, then we will do that. But for now, I can assure you of wine.
Okay, so I hope you're going to sell some.
The artworks?
Yes.
Oh yes, like this one, if you want to sell it, I'll just give it to you as low as $30,000 US, and then if you think you like it, I'll give it to you. Art is very expensive. Yes, I'm going to sell it, but if you're not ready, come and have a feel and then go. Yeah.
Okay, so what about the t-shirt? Because I saw some.
The t-shirt post there. Facebook. Oh yes. I've really worked on it, and what I'm doing now is that I will even get the prints, and then if you come and then you don't even get a t-shirt, I will even have the access of printing the design you want into any dress that you would want to have it in. Yeah. So we have taken care of that.
Oh, okay. So, your final words to those who are coming, those who are climbing the mountains.
Yes. All work and no play make just a dull boy, you know. And they say a stitch in time saves 9. Okay, you make hay when the sun shines. This is the opportunity. You don't know when you will be gone. So do it now, or you don't do it at all. So come and then have feel. Come, let's chill. Come, let's talk about some or other things that you can use trash for. At least this is one aspect that you are seeing. Maybe you also have a different ideas on what you can use trash for. We have several types of polythenes. There are plastics, polyethanes, polypropanes, polyamorous, and the rest. So you come and then let's sit down. Let's do talk, and then let's also try and do on top so that we can push Ghana forward.